Part of slimming down involves a simple, sensible exercise and eating plan. Here's a week-long menu for our Lose 20 Pounds Fast Diet program. Over the next 90 days, you should aim to consume 1,200 calories a day plus calorie-free beverages as desired, and take a multivitamin and a 400 mg calcium supplement daily. Enter. This video is brought to you by The 2-Week Diet. A foolproof, science-based diet that's 100% guaranteed to melt away 8 to 16 pounds, 4 to 8 kilograms, of stubborn body fat in just 14 days. If you're willing to stick up and embark on the right rapid weight loss programs, your body will react quickly, and you will see the pounds disappear. As its name suggests, the 2-Week Diet is a 14-day weight loss system that is packed with proven diet and exercise routines that can help pretty much anybody lose excess weight and improve their health. Not only does it aim to help you shed pounds, but it makes sure you do it in a healthy way, and to maintain your new slimmer figure. That means once you've lost the weight, it's not going to just come right back, like with so many crash diet programs. So if you want to lose weight quickly and permanently with the easy way, you can check it out from the link on the description. Day 1. Breakfast. 3/4 cup bran flakes, 1 banana, 1 cup fat-free milk. Lunch. Sandwich, 1 mini whole wheat pita, 3 ounces turkey breast, half roasted pepper, 1 teaspoon light mayonnaise, mustard, lettuce. 1 stick part-skim mozzarella string cheese. 2 kiwifruits. Dinner. 4 ounces broiled flounder or sole. 2 sliced plum tomatoes sprinkled with 2 tablespoons grated Parmesan cheese, broiled until just golden. 1 cup cooked couscous. 1 cup steamed broccoli. 1 fat-free pudding cup. Day 2. Breakfast. Smoothie, blend 1 cup frozen berries, half banana, and 8 ounces fat-free milk. Half English muffin spread with 1 teaspoon light margarine. Lunch. 1 cup vegetarian vegetable soup. 1 veggie burger in a minute whole wheat pita with lettuce and salsa. 6 ounces light yogurt. 15 grapes. Dinner. Barbecue chicken, brush 4 ounces boneless, skinless breast with barbecue sauce and grill. Half cup vegetarian baked beans. 3 small boiled red potatoes topped with 1 teaspoon light margarine and a pinch of dill. Day 3. Breakfast. Oatmeal, in the microwave, cook half cup quick cooking oats with 3/4 cup fat-free milk, half apple, chopped, 1 teaspoon honey, and a pinch of cinnamon. Lunch. Chicken salad, toss 4 ounces shredded skinless roast chicken breast with 1/4 cup sliced red grapes, 1 tablespoon slivered almonds, 1 tablespoon light mayonnaise, and 1 tablespoon fat-free sour cream. Serve over lettuce. 1 banana. Dinner. 4 ounces steamed shrimp. 1 baked potato topped with 3 tablespoons salsa and 1 tablespoon fat-free sour cream. 3 cups spinach, steamed. 1 low-fat frozen fudge bar. Day 4. Breakfast. Half toasted English muffin topped with half small apple, sliced, and 1 ounce shredded reduced fat cheese, any type. Microwave 30 seconds on high. 6 ounces light yogurt sprinkled with 1 tablespoon slivered almonds. Lunch. 1 cup tomato soup. Sandwich, 1 mini whole wheat pita, 3 ounces thinly sliced roast beef, 1 teaspoon horseradish, mustard, tomato slices, lettuce. 1 cup raw veggies. 1 bear. Dinner. 3 ounces poached salmon. Slaw, toss 1 1/4 cups coleslaw mix and 2 sliced green onions with 2 tablespoons fat-free dressing, no more than 30 calories per 2 tablespoons. 3/4 cup cooked brown rice. Half cup pineapple chunks in juice. Day 5. Breakfast. 1 cup Cheerios, half cup berries, 1 tablespoon slivered almonds, 8 ounces fat-free milk. Lunch. Quesadilla, spread 1/4 cup fat-free refried beans over 1 small whole wheat tortilla. Sprinkle on 1 ounce shredded reduced fat cheese. Top with salsa and another tortilla, microwave 45 seconds on high. Half cup of fat cottage cheese topped with half cup mandarin orange sections. Cucumber spears. Dinner. 3 ounces roasted pork tenderloin. 1 cup baked acorn squash, mashed with a pinch of cinnamon. 2 to 3 cups salad greens with 2 tablespoons fat-free dressing. Half cup vanilla fat-free frozen yogurt topped with 1 cup berries. Day 6. Breakfast. 1 toasted frozen waffle, spread with 1 tablespoon peanut butter and topped with half sliced banana. 8 ounces fat-free milk. Lunch. Tuna pita, 1 mini whole wheat pita, 2 ounces water-packed light tuna, 1 tablespoon light mayonnaise, mustard, and cucumber and onion slices. 10 baby carrots. 6 ounces light yogurt mixed with half banana. Dinner. Jambalaya, combine 3/4 cup cooked brown rice, half cup corn, 2 ounces cooked jerky sausage, sliced, 1/3 cup salsa, and 1/4 cup canned kidney beans. Heat through. 3 cups spinach, steamed. 1 medium apple. Day 7. Breakfast. Half toasted English muffin layered with 1 ounce reduced fat cheese, sliced, 1 tomato slice, half cup steamed spinach, drained, and 1 poached egg. 1 grapefruit. Lunch. Black bean salad, toss half cup canned black beans, half cup mandarin orange sections, and chopped red bell peppers, red onion, and scallions with 1 teaspoon vinegar. Serve over salad greens. 1 mini whole wheat pita. 1 pear. Dinner. 3 ounces broiled or grilled flank steak. 1 baked sweet potato with 1 teaspoon light margarine. 1 cup steamed zucchini. Half cup pineapple chunks and juice. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions you need answered, just put it the comment below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. So hit the subscribe button for health related tips and tricks backed by specialist.